Everybody say, ah. Say, oh, oh, oh. Say, how can I express
my gratitude
for all the many things
you've done for me?
Words are not enough, yeah.
Enough to say thank you.
Say, Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father,
done
you
for
done
me?
for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
Say, Lord, you are,
You're my everything.
Say, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
You're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
You're my everything.
Uyamatingina. 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 Oh, uyamatingina. Yeah, so uye. Yeah. Say, I call you Jireh, say, yeah. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William me ground, cover your butt. 2, set. I can breathe without you, say. I can move without you, Lord. Hey, who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can move without you, yeah. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, we are my thinking now. Oh, so oh yeah, oh yeah, so oh
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Yeah, live on Facebook says yeah, live on Facebook. Yeah, patch live on Facebook. Rainbow Radio UK, Rainbow Radio UK. Intimacy on our journey live. BWF Solicitors and the yes in Kunya better chum. The names still remain and to Jagu OPD the second. Now before answer, I ever corner your name before a question come to chance, you know. Because before I say about calling and paying for a question, come to chance, you know. Master, me ain't away. And after the year, Babaka, near them come to chance. So stay tuned. Don't touch your dial. I'll be back. Let's do this.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law. Family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884.
Feel Africa in London. This is Rainbow Radio. 92.4 FM, also on DAB+.
Okay, so back again, live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Back again live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. And I pay one channel na if you didn't age must say and down BWF solicitors and then Thursday, Thursday side and down and that's what me assume. Yani omo ba chichum komo na ba na mlense mo motumi bi nyama so e actually no ma chen de wo and then so na fi no ye de nya so de account de momidin e nana tutu jegu OPD de second nana tutu jegu OPD de second na metina kunya kese mu e ma bishop obi an nche so nko so komo na pay me kanfo BWF solicitors de ama mesraw so we obi a eba immigration status so on krata sam anya ya na ho ne hia me papa isan say for phone na ka say generate share code na say won kwa wo generate share code na edu wo na won kwa share code mba na say chairman waso ye shi na say won krata sam no endimu nti esa na ma wo no asa wo tetele nsuo nani nti eno na no pe no yesi nkonya sɛ ɛba no sɛ mlemu nsam a immigration status betumi gyan na so esipi ne sitan wodo ho ɛbɛdɔm ɛyɛ mlenimfo na sɛ mlekufo a ometumi aboɔ na nkrata sɛ metumi gyan na so ɛne na no pe yaje pinesi ne BWF solicitors na ɔbɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ na wo nso otumi gyan na so nkrata sɛ ma na pe sɛ wo obi a opɛ sɛ wonkɔ ɛyɛ BWF solicitors akakyia frɛsisi a na book appointment frɛ sisi ana book appointment and answer frɛ penfo ba jeso no mo no atwetwe nkoma ɛwɔ ɔmo office line ɛwɔ 020 849 273 40 020 849 373 40 and the office like first see na woni mpemfo atwetwe nkoma ɛwɔ office na bookie appointment and I say ɔmagye so no akasa na won so otumi de wo haw ɛde ato mu anim na mo atumi ahwɛ na mo asolve ɛde ama na pay BWF solicitors and no mbɛtwetwe nkoma na pay am say Mr. Amo ayɛ krado ɛwɔ ahoma na so okay so mɛkɔ na makɔhwɛ na makɔma na akɔ abasonko na mɛkyia no kwan sonko so na afei de nkoma twetwe no ɛde ahyɛ ase ne bia so atumi ayɛ kama mɛka say your life ɛwɔ Rainbow Radio UK Facebook Rainbow Radio UK Facebook so na order streaming platforms ni yan so no yes streaming live also to betumi etuni na wetie e bia so etumi ayɛ kama quickly ma menkɔ na yɛmfa nkɔmɔ twetwe no nkɔhyɛ ase na yɛnhwɛ good morning law
OPD.
yeah law we have ko
Yamiadom, na also.
nyame ana pe ho efa pa o na o secret ni say
That was it. Also ujinum.
Ba uvo ta idea ire de metobio nti ire no hu sembo bia hwe na wan bom sebo
Mate.
Right are pay BWF solicitors akachi payinfo mo workers impo mo clients mo ba mo na pay mo ho tesen
Obia ho ye Yamiadom.
Fantastic.
Obia enho ye enti asemboni bia Yami da chen.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. As a yambra no BAD akomwa kaka nti yenhye ne yemfa nkomotoche no enhye ase na yenhwe and pay update bi ho mo de bema yetifo and say topic na so ne bebu ewuru ma na je ye de nti mienu ni ya metoma lo na yenti
Yo, me say OPD. Yo etifo ne ahwefo ende yawada anope ye de inchia ema wo bebi a wo bia wo tie yan na sa wo hwen yen ewo Rainbow efidie esu na ende update ayo before you didn't come on baba ne say sene ye nim no se wo akola wo UK as I say odi 7 years utumi ye indefinite ema no na je say wo betwen am na di 7 na eni je sama epie mu na watwi eyeendre ya ni say so 7 years from match so about 2 years I'm about 5 years match so from 7 down to 5 years. I said, say, no can say, wo ba, I won't UK or memo, we did 5 years, but to Cheminka, why indefinite amano.
But before Nana came, said over 5 years, no more the call fair, or more the call 7. So am I reversing the about 5 in the back, and I say, we'll see a different issue.
There be no 7.
It's 7. Okay, 7. Okay.
No, they are about 5. So
Matters right down. Oh, okay.
Okay. You see, nearby any say, also do more. Or UK or memo now or bemua. So bemua na bia no kunu na ode ne baaye. Nkwala eka ho. 5 years no mutumi ya indefinite through omo papa no anaso omo step father na omo step parent no. Na ena se wo oman no enso a na wo akwara no mu a ede se wo betwe me na di 10 years na waye nationality anasa citizenship amano anasa wo be na di 7 years wo waye settlement anasa indefinite amano. Nti na ehwe a depending on nkwala no bi or situation obi mutumi benya settlement no eja bi mu. Nti na I say kobe say nsisie bi ewo baby. Nti to make everything fair across board for nkwala no. So with the 5 years ewo UK omemu we akwala ya wo UK there ubetumi aye indefinite leave to remain and here say ubetwen 7 years no na ewo ho no. Nti na mfaso a ewo so ne say we say akwala no di 7 years a yes so ya qualifying child. Na qualifying child ne say maame anaso papa oni bi no tumi gina akwala no so because akwala no tumi ye indefinite man ye. Na sisi ano say ya tie so aba 5 years na akwala no wa wo no ha we di 5 years a otumi ye ni indefinite na wo tu maame anaso papa a wo hwe akwala no utumi gina akwala yi so eso agi 2.5 akwala no abaye qualifying child. Enti we nyina no akoba eye nsesa a kase aba eye enigi sampa ma nkwala tituru ene awofo enso. Enti sa wo twen sa akwala no be di 7 years na why indefinite amano because who nibi papa nso nibi na akwala no na aja o se o twa 7 no akodi indefinite a sa akwala na di 5 years a ende ne tam aso. Sa akwala na di 6 years a ende tam no kra so ma na bro so. With this 7 there ende wo na wo twen. Nti ni je samwa ewo no no.
Wow. Right. So nti na say omo tie here no say oba enya 5 years and say we twem kura na is an good news ni say yes salam mon try na mon hwe na mo apply man kwala no na nkwala no ntumi nyina so nya mo nkrata instead be ya say the law can so we parent na bia wo ni bi kura na say bia true akwala na wo benya bia na say nyame adom wetumi afa so ntam na wetumi enye bi so we ni update a mo de ama na so law Mami bi so eya na omo de emble bi base ya na so omo passe enyoma bi say ba bonti eya na omo a specific date eya omo take effect e bi o mutumi ka say so e bia it going to start on bia this year end and say bia so we no started that bia na say take enye take effect anisa
Yo ya de update we no beto adwa no so na ye ready mu na yehu bibia e no statement of changes. Eba every month, every week, every time we buy no and she ebenya timipo bi say as I say ye nsesan bi eba so a na osum edumaku a yesum community BWF and so ye dey abetudwa so that we keep you updated. Na ye share producer but you betumi dey ato eso a na say oh dear me ready nkwa echire but mama etiefo ahwe etiefo ahwe na ne umi na ne say akwara no 85 years ot UK memu awono wa UK memu a obetumi age indefinite leave to remain na statement we no eba na it take effect as soon as possible. Nti say we maame bi na wotie na opa ho nsɛm bi anasa na mo bi etu ama oba eno ane sɛ obefa o telephone no na wafrɛ na we bi sɛ mu na ekwan ya sɛ yɛde boa wo bia na yɛde aboa wo.
Okay. Joe. Na say no na Lord ya to jano. So Lord when I abanes ano eno so ne bo no price na ya na take effect and answer ne bo no to say de ya na na phone de no ete no to say obetu NHS fee ni sa anyama no we no so kasa categories no na we ni different.
Normally indefinite wo koya indefinite a untia IHS fee. You bet the normal home office visa fee. No.
Okay.
I mean, can you know Obia Nimsa Okoye indefinite amount ba ubetia. And na asesa no enye fee no.
Okay.
Yes, as a sakwara ne twɛn
I
ansa
understand. Okay.
which me akɔyɛ indefinite no ɛna ɛso ate aba 5 years from 7 years nti ɔmo yi 2 years efi so.
Okay. Okay. And I tell we there it's here for more with your money and communiancy hule we sanka yeah happy birthday and kanka ya to yanka ya to hule and ya some keto. Lo may yeah we there good news may na good news may na lo may yan tin si man and the topic of the day near family here for na you know I'm saying no yam really be kwa kama na yeah na mo fan chame so mo fan chame I think the video na high kakra si ari me admin so yentio na topic of the day no yeah driving call
Yo me da se opedi yo etiefo na ahwefo ɛnɛ yɛn nkɔmɔ no ɛfa aware gyae ɛho obebi sɛ na aware gyae ho nkɔmɔ na mo bedi na kyerɛ sɛ mo pɛ sɛ yɛgya aware ana nyɛ saa botaeɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛbɛ encourage you sɛ kɔgya aware botaeɛ ne sɛ yɛma wo ehu sɛ mmara no sɛi na tie na ɛkɔba sɛ wotu anamɔ bi saa wobɛhu nea ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ sɛ aware wɔ hɔ deɛ a ɛne aware gyae nso ɛwɔ hɔ nti ɛnyɛ nwanwa sɛ mmara no ahyehyɛ aware gyae aka mmara no ɛho na ɛba divorce a yɛwɔ mmara a ɛcover saa divorce proceedings sɛ wowɔ amanɔne wɔ UK ɔman mu ɔman biara wɔ aware gyae ne awareɛ nhyehyɛeɛ nti yɛhwɛ mmara bi te sɛ Matrimonial Causes Act of 1974 say a ɛcover awareɛ ho nhyehyɛeɛ no sɛ aware no egyigya mu gya aware wi a mo gyapadeɛ ne saa nneɛma nyinaa no mmara Family Act nso ɛcover saa nneɛma no nyinaa na nea ɛwɔ mu no nyinaa ne sɛ woware wɔ ɔman bi so na akɔba sɛ wetu bata abɛtena UK ɔman mu a sɛ aware no egyigya na akɔba sɛ aware gyae ɛɛba anaasɛ ebehia na wotu anamɔ sɛ court ɛma krataa bi sɛ aware no egu a woyɛ no wɔ ɔman foforɔ mu na wobɛtumi egyae aware ɛwɔ UK ɔman mu anaasɛ sɛ wosan kɔ kuro no a woyɛ no ɔman no a woyɛ no wɔ so woware wɔ so no a yɛma wo marriage certificate no ɛkɔ gyae aware no ɛwɔ hɔ anaa nti nna nkɔmɔ no sɛ wopɛ sɛ wogyae aware anaasɛ aware gyae akɔba ɛwɔ wo relationship mu woware wɔ ɔman foforɔ so wote UK ɔman mu wobɛtumi egyae aware no ɛwɔ UK ɔman mu anaa ɛne ne asɛm tietietia nti a nnɛ yɛde saa asɛm baa ne saa yɛ nkɔfoɔ frɛ anaasɛ nkɔfoɔ ɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo hu ɔyɛ amaware no egyigya na mmom anware wɔ UK ware wɔ bi a Jamaica ware wɔ Ghana ware wɔ Nigeria ware wɔ Spain ware wɔ Barbados ware wɔ US na meti UK ɔman mu sisie metumi egyae aware without going back to my country no a ware wɔ hɔ no anaa ɛyɛ asɛm a ɛyɛ a nkɔfoɔ bisa ɛna ɛyɛ ade a ɛha nkɔfoɔ nti ɛnɛ yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ saa asɛm no emu ama wahu sɛ wowɔ choice sɛ wobɛyɛ no wɔ UK ɔman mu anaasɛ wobɛyɛ wɔ ɔman no a woware wɔ mu no emu na sɛ kɔba sɛ wobɛyɛ no wɔ UK ɔman mu wobɛgya aware wɔ UK ɔman mu a nhyehyɛe bɛn na ɛwɔ mmara no ho a ɛsɛ sɛ wodi so because woto a ɛba affect anamɔ a wopɛ sɛ wotu no a yɛfrɛ no divorce proceedings no ɛdi kan waware ɛsɛ sɛ wotena aware no mu 3 years wogyae aware sɛ akɔba sɛ wobɛgyae aware no a sɛnti ne sɛ aware bi a ne hɔ a wokɔ mu a wadwe ne sɛ ɛyɛ temporary nti anasɛ yɛ a fixed contract nti me kɔ mu a time no so a ne mefim de bi ɛyɛ permanent that's the first thing anasɛ understanding na sɛ yɛ permanent a sɛ bi permanent adwuma koraa no bibi si a wotumi it is a wobɛkɔ anase adwuma no wura ɛbɛpam wo nti ɛyɛ permanent deɛ nanso etumi ɛsesa ɛma ne yɛ yie saa ara nso na aware ɛteɛ ɛyɛ permanent contract between those parties say they intend to live together and be bound by actions and be affected by each other's actions. However, now mo yɛ ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɔmenya mfasoɔ efi ɔmo ho what we call mutual benefit. Na ɔmo bɛtena ase na sɛ procreation anasa awo a ɔmo bɛyɛ ne saa ɛnyɛ awo nso a ɔmo bɛtena bom ekosi sɛ owuo ɛbɛtete ɔmo ntɛm. And then the starting point. Na sɛ kɔbɛ sɛ owuo mbaeɛ na mmom ewiase nsɛnsɛm amanehunu ɔhaw ne kɔdanda akɔba ɛwɔ ekosi aware no mu enti ɛbɛyɛ din sɛ ɔmɛtumi atoa so a ɔmɛtumi titi mu ne yie ana mmara ne sɛ aane na sɛ yɛ titi mu a yɛn titi mu yɛ kurom baabi a yɛware yɛ no anasɛ sɛ meti UK man mu a metumi atiti wɔ UK man mu ma ne yie mmara no so sɛ aane enti na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnɛ nkɔmmɔ no yɛ ma obi a ɔte UK man mu ɔware wɔ amanɔne ate aseɛ sɛ utumi agyae aware wɔ UK man mu ma ne yɛ yie na mbom nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ ɛsɛ sɛ wɔhyɛ no nso UK ɛyɛ a wɔgyae mmara no a about 2 years ago nsesɛeɛ baeɛ no na ban kan ne nyinaa ne sɛ sɛ wokɔgyae a afei deɛ yɛn mbɔkɔ edu biem yɛn mbɔkɔ edu anaasɛ yɛn mbɔsombo enti nea wobɛyɛ ne sɛ wobɛka sɛ aware no atete apasa yɛyɛ no biribi a ɛnyɛ yie saa nti yɛgu no a yɛsɛ irretrievable breakdown of the relationship kane no na ɛsɛ sɛ wo give reason a yɛfa no grounds for divorce reason na yɛ 5 separation short and long ne sɛ 2 years separation and 5 years separation to bi mu a ɔmagya aware no aware no ngu ya nso ɔma separate obiara te ne baby mpo ɔmo te fie baako mu a obi ndɛ obi agyaane ɔmo te fie baako mu ɔmo ndɛ mbom ɔmo te fie baako mu ɔmo nkasa ɔmo te fie baako mu ɔmo yɛ ɔmo ade sɛ atamfoɔ anaasɛ co-tenant na kyerɛ sɛ aware no ɛwɔ hɔ deɛ ɛwɔ paper so nso akoma no aware no egu nti saa separation no na wotumi gyina so akɔbɛ saa for 2 years a wotumi gyina so edi gu aware no na wɔ 5 years separation mo separate 5 years sɛ nipa no te ne baby obi ate ne baby mo separate for 5 years wotumi gyina no so wodi gu aware no anaasɛ bɔne frɛ no nokoredie yɛyɛ frɛ no nokoredie na bɔne frɛ no infidelity in relationship baako ndi nokorɛ ama baako wotumi gyina ɛno nso wodi gu aware no ɛne nea ɛkeka ho bi te sɛ nipa no odi unya physical assault wotumi gyina so edi gu aware no nti na yɛ 5 grounds for divorce na nea akɔbaeɛ ne sɛ aban yɛ nhwehwɛmu no ɔmo hu sɛ kɔbɔ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɛyɛsi nkonnwa ɛwɔ court na yɛbuobuo a nea nti a wɔregu no ɛreba a yɛfrɛ no divorce proceedings na obia ɛreka n'asɛm na yɛdi asɛm no a ɛyɛ a na ɛyɛ antagonistic ne sɛ obiara pɛ sɛ n'asɛm yɛ dɛ na oyi biribi agu the other person no ɛso nti aban UK aban hwehwɛ mu na ɔsɛ no saa nneɛma nnum a na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛgyina so gu aware no ehia biem reason bi a ne hɔ biem there will be only one reason aware no atete apasa sɛnea ɛkɔbaa yɛ aware no atete apasa no deɛ we don't want to know na obiara ne sɛ aware no atete apasa so irretrievable breakdown of the relationship now is the only reason a which may gyina so agyae aware ɛwɔ UK ɛma ne yɛ yie other countries ɛwɔ mo reasons or grounds for bringing divorce proceedings ɛwɔ family court UK deɛ ɔmo simplify no say the only reason is say aware no atete apasa why don't worry about why just keep it say aside Now, as I say, which means court, and we say, why worry for 3 years? I am beside me, who said, I worry for 3 years. Now you're cool. Oh, I will know. Ubetin one, I will 3 years and say, we are nana. A Kwabasa is broken down irretrievably, but the court will give you permission to proceed on the ground. Say, there's no way that we'll be for 3 years. Until one night, condition be a better. Undi 3 years, but untumisu entinemu amba 3 years emba and see go aware no because of the question. And then no Obama court aye aware na court ehu kwan a ombado ba fa so amawo. But the standard is say wa worry for 3 years. Aware no atete. Another thing I say what UK or memu ana you will be a jurisdiction or the power of the court to deal with that divorce matter. To the divorce matter, I call UK family court. In common, I didn't say, oh, I will manone. Ubet me jawari wo UK ana because uti UK. And I said, ubet me jawari wo UK ana. Enti yabesha say UK court ewo jurisdiction and I said power to accept to deal with that divorce matter no ana. Edi kan sawar awuruguo no astarte ewo oman fufuru mu a untumi matoa so ewo UK oman mu. Then the UK court will not have jurisdiction because it is already started elsewhere. The woman yenhye eno enso. The baby say has it already begun? Has proceedings already started elsewhere? Then you have to continue. Yes, sir. UK court ebeto emra. And because there will be no power to do that. The next year, UK court, I say, oh, who say, Umwa, opese uja warno, and I say, Mummy and Nuna, Muja, Pesa Muja warno, Muti UK memu, and I say, Monty UK or memu. The Uti UK memu, I say, we are citizen, and I say, Uti UK memu permanently, and I say, Uti UK memu temporarily, Ukuta visa and Uti UK memu. Number what's not on my move for at least 1 year. So you have become a resident ordinarily. An ordinarily resident eye obia or tea or minimum a brododo anwa or kwa bontia and also 2 kwaya no holidays. Into a kwa 6 months is a sort of back. Especially obia only afibor and that's only citizenship no. The not just a nipa no UK noti. So you can out in a what's name for 1 year, which me Eddie awari jae and some Ecuador UK court ye. Other say na what's name 1 year and that's a bako at 1 year. And that's a bako a year domicile. Domicile say or timu or permanent resident and now say or citizen. Nti fear ni UK or memu. Na Saudi asam no kodan court wa e be some say ummi na maka bom some obey application no I have a joint application and that's a baako na otu anamo say oye application I have a sole application. Say joint application let us mu na mufu aso nti mo be be sha say you na yifu aso automatically a joint. And then no eko wado wano. Na say so dear the other person no as a so ma permission say ane yes a permission so what you to me say ane court koso na jai aware no and say gu aware no emaye. Na the question you be say we say who make me egu aware no UK or memu e UK court ana process no there so we qualify there the process will follow. Until now nchiremuni nyina ne say so aware wa manoni a ubetumi ejina UK aware jae emra eso egu aware no ewo UK provided say aware for 3 years. Provided say which UK o memu na utimu ukuta visa wo de tinemu anasa ukuta indefinite anasa ukuta citizenship na UK na wote most of the time utu kwanya na woko holiday quickly na wabem na what's name for at least 1 year na our no mon starting will be fufuro dada anaso ɔman fufuro mu dada ɛna wo abodin krataa a kyerɛ sɛ aware no yɛhyehyɛ no ɛda wei na certificate no ɛwɔ hɔ ne nyinaa no court ɛpɛ sɛ ehu na wetu saa anamɔ no hɔ ansa waka sɛ yes yɛbɛtumi esomu na yɛde awareguo nhyehyɛ no ato akwan mu na egu aware no ama mo sɛ mmra ɛma kwan sɛ anasɛ mo nyinaa mo fua so sɛ aware no yengu no a yɛde ha no sɛ yɛde ha no si wie a yɛbɛhwɛ how long it will take, how much it will cost, and the process a ɛwɔ saa ɛkwan no ɛso nti na de yɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa no sɛ bi a woyɛ student
before beto aso
kuta visa we are skilled worker to UK mem kuta visa and then put with 5 years and I said what 2.5 ebaye ukunu and I said we no de baye sa poni na no mo visa no enye permanent
what mean
go worry ye o man fufuru mu na mutu bata betina UK mem ba ko baye na ba ko ba join ya na say mu nyina ba bo mu ba akoba say aware no asɛe atete enti muntumi kwampo empagya no ensi hɔ biem santi mo pese mu gya aware ɛhɔ no na yɛabobɔ so sɛ wo meet saa conditions no dia utumi gya aware ɛwɔ UK court ɛma ne yeye.
Okay, lo fantastic. Is that what you mean kan? Is that what you mean kan?
Pecho meto nkan.
Fantastic, yeah. Obi question be or there blame CCR no say Mimi Sama no or say Dr. OPD be a lawyer mama say so two partners omoti maybe our legit about 3 years and enso say na wa work no nipa no or fat team no ho kire no like ultimately say or pass it through hell na nipa no person on go to divorce na be ono no me fan say oba no person go to divorce na be man dey ono so on peninsula oba no ne decision betumi go through amana na say bi opese oja aware because I know say bi o mienu ya so mo agree na e bi o mu jai ba ko so on pene so be jai ba ko so opese ojai that the opese ojai on de betumi go through amano through her na or famu no
yo me da se bebre because ye ka awore jai anasa awore go enho ensam ye twetwe sa nkomo no enti yankɔ nipa na sebio owu aware no mu no enti enye domestic violence nkomo na ye di na ne we mu ni say nipa no bisa simple question so ba no na say be ma no mpene so a still ye betumi egu aware na yes ah
egu aware yeah fantastic that's it
yo ne wo mu ni ye were friendly divorce na ye were hostile divorce. We may say, hey, divorce is to me friendly. Aye. So we na to me for so say, we be. Ya na ye bom say ye bet na bom. Ye be bobra. Bibi e di ne de M1 yen. Ka no pam no, we dey fancy ho a obi ankɔ ne kwan. Let's go and tell the court. No mama ya abodin court say, aware na ye no, afi de egu. Ehɔ no e friendly. Mati mo ase na mokɔ. So you can go jointly or one of them bet not start it, no back right then if so. But say kwabasa back company, no back say no one penny cram the back court. Na court ebe dia mamia. E could do a court betro the other person who said Osimesi e de say aba. One penny so and answer one penny so then I walk. Na e kwabane sa Sani Panua, the other party, because we providing the details. Address I will name the last, and then the email address. What about my court? Ni date of birth, then you maybe I will name. What about my court? Marriage certificate. What about my court? Court betro nimpano. On sure nimpano because nimpano in faso. You betro nimpano and the standard practice. Our reject be any why you disma the other party. The moment you here. Our reject be any why. You do smart the other party. The other party, but like I said, side there and the our giant and your valid was minimum and hoshi.
Yeah.
Now, so nipa no nim who bibia, let's a court ebon amane. How now court be bon nipa no amane, court be chro nipa no. I can say an application for divorce has been filed with the court. What is your response? Ndipano beka say yes, me fuaso. Court, mon consumer. And that's what beka say no, me fuaso. So I say no, me fuaso and the obetire nti a ho fuaso. And one of the reasons no say ehia no nipa beka bi.
Okay.
If you beka say no, me fuaso ko ba me don no too. Me don no kwesi owo. Santi onu kra so ndo me a me de me don no. Nti me njai asamu. And the court back say and the yashi mum me ani na mumbra na yendi asam no na yehwe say even though wo mpeni court betumi apini ama wo a nti sa nimpa yo bi sa asam yi ye be ka kire ni na ne say wontumi emfa kokoam akwan so enkodia aware no ema ne yeye ba wo ni se be ma nimpa na ya we say wo pese udia na aware because nimpa no mfu aso nti obeka say no na mum me ni na makọ court ebro no so a bukwa court bebie kwan na yekodi asam ewo aworigyan no ho na court decide say o megu no anase mungu no based on the akoso ewo awore no no.
Okay. Baby, mini priority me na say obate ne ho ase nti ono ne de no de saa na ekoye o person jai be man no zo person jai no se be man ne se ni baby ya ne de nti on to mean jai no ono so se be man no so de saa de na tata na dodo nti saa de o jai no nti na say omo de no. Okay, so look, my first studio license to Jana ebia obi babam na ebia obi o question bi so please answer. Ya to so na afi no yetimi edi ni na so ya to so studio line is 020 8133 4646 020 8133 4646 020 8133 1134 020 8133 1134 and our WhatsApp line is 0777 1950 989 0777 1950 989. Yeah, and also WhatsApp line with me after. We should have you look at a question. Yeah, with me, a question. I did Nina, so Eddie account of you with me. A BWF Solicitors. And you know, I'm preaching to pay a higher Rainbow 92.4 FM, Rainbow 92.4 FM. Sounds like live for DAB Plaza and also tuning. Sounds like live for Facebook this year. And to myself, over Facebook, now. Or subscribe no what we will leave you comments so now ya can kind Eddie amamu. Okay, so law young to say a question be an by idea my young twice na question be bar na yeah metia on us na feel ni ti nipa Niger ya ready element law young twice na question bar na imabem.
Yo that's it. Nti sese na yaji atuma na say yehu ne say wo qualify a ubetumi jai aware ewo UK court no. Question say embra no nhihye no etisen kwan ben so na ma start sa process no. Edi kan oba file application for the family court. Family court no be say family court no ene ne say e court wa omudi ebusuasem say ya aware say ya worjai say ya nkwala ehwe na ye family court. Na aban platform bi a yefra no my HMCTS. That's HMCTS no His Majesty's Court and Tribunal Services. Internet say ya kan say dey na say computer asem. Nti obekọ computer no so na wa bo HMCTS. Ebeba divorce application. Na wa click it, na we follow, ube sign it up, and I say ube be account. Into be account na fi wa fill a form. I friend no divorce application, we file it. Ube make sure say we marriage certificate copy. Na marriage certificate make sure say your original no the copy na wo. And your copy. Of course, your copy na say good and I say clear. Yeah, good. And I so make sure say all the four corners, it show. All the four corners, it show. So four corners, it show because baby are more, baby are tea. to kura koda baby a omunje entum otumo anhye so obi bi say colored and say black and white and here ne say yetumi di information ni na e so na four corners ni na clear baby a emoaye and say ntie wo scan a na wo da to upload ayo evidence say we na wugina so eji aware yes say wugina so eji aware because and that is the reason we di aware nembom wugina so say wa ware na sa aware we no court enji na ongunu emawo wo be kire baby a wo aware no baby a ye hihye no ana say ye obema no baby owo address email eni nyoma ehia bia usually no sa aware no atete apasa na obi ate ne baby a baby say obema no ana say oba no the last known address ebi a na no ntifie ba ko biem ba unim baby a na oti ana say baby okotena ye wo betumi age na say unim dia ne oba say court be fa kwan foforo so say on be serve nimpa no papers no nti service no could be say a process service and that's nkrofo a almost serve court papers ema ewo nkrofo so no obetumi after bi na omo edi sa dwumadie no amawo so omo kwohwehwe no baako mienu na sra omo nya no a o de application be court say evidence ni ni na yipe ma hwehwe no a menya no enti se mantene nka dia a court engine to me say ma serve no notice and court ebeja to me friend deemed service enti eno so ewo eho na sa oye enu wie a na court aye ne a also oye in terms of the other party no ya serve no the other party no so ba respondo se nipa na respondo because on person obeja aware a court be ma wa ya awe se nipa no se respondo then ebeba say ese say ye bo asam no so esi hu nkonwa e wo court na I don't know it depends most of the time na ya na omu nyina age tum say aware no engu santi aya na e smooth but se bia se ya yenu ndi ba say on person no de obeja aware because of the binti eche say ebe din say obeja tum then no age say nkonwa na ye besi no court na ubetua court fee of £612 court fee so we file na we ntua enko nti we file no na we tua eno so aka ho so lawyer na ya ma wa lawyer no be hwe say fee no we tua and say through lawyer no ne court account and I say wa card and I say what you am lawyer no be use na ejuma card e de tua kama o kama to be tua £612 eco court enye court lawyer no sika court sika court nya o ma confirm say o nya wade no na o ma serve the other party enso and say oba no and say be ma no
okay
court be twen so court nya moye a afi ye be ma o ebere 21 weeks na court ma sa ebro no a eno be process sa ebro no so a court be ma certificate edi kan a ye friend no conditional order kanano na ye friend no decree nisai or nisi and ye friend no conditional order e wo UK awojaye emremu na no e first certificate a ubenya adenti na awojaye UK ye ubenya certificate number 1 and certificate number 2 certificate number 1 is say ye de mawa bia mpo a na masesa madwen sa aware no kra na ye ngu ne bio nti aba back ekwabasa bebi a court edu bia no o suspend our jai process no na maba back abomebra na sankobasa court memo self certificate first one no after 21 weeks no. Obaka cho say ya memo first certificate no. What ajatum sa wari no yengu no. Santi ya memo 6 weeks. Say anti bibia say still ano mo mpese still ano begu no dia. Ada say anti bibia say mo mpese mo begu no bie mu a ubetumi aye application for final order or final certificate. And no will be after 6 weeks from the date your conditional order and I say first certificate na wage na until brother so 6 weeks so we application for final order na court e pronounce it finally say aware no yegu no na say yegu aware no na nkwala wo mu a afi na we the next stage na wa hye kwan a ye be fa so a nkwala no ehye no ebeba eno no eda say mo beja atum na mo aye se na mo beye no ana say we ba file application for child arrangement order from court na say sika so ewo mu a ewo aware no mu a say japadie bi ewo aware no mu a you go to the next step aye friend no financial order from court settlement order the financial settlement ni say japadie no kwan ben so na yebefa yebeche ejapadie no so no say the next application I will buy after divorce no but so sika bi a nimu dia you don't have to until your application maybe say sika bi wo mu ana say ejapadie bi wo mu a court be here say ebehwe after the divorce wana yes or no ubeka say bibi animu a ubeka say bibi animu bibi wo mu so a ubeka na after divorce no we move on to the next process until na ye show mu a fee no £612. Process no obeye na wa twen mani par ba ko no so edi muaya abasa waja atum wanja ntum a court ebehwe etusa anamo no ama munyina munya akwanya obesi nkro e wo court anasa mobesi nkonya e wo court na after 21 weeks court bema mo first certificate after that 6 weeks later court bema another certificate I friend of final order. The final order no be we are let's just say our no yegu no no. Wa be ye divorcee na ba ko so I divorced. And I just say fill a form. Maybe say what is your marital status or relationship we best select divorced.
Divorce. Okay, to ube to me you divorce, who you single.
What say what say your man you be say a question what is your relationship now you was so divorced you was so married you was so single you was so unmarried I him na over
I make you divorce and so far as I appear so no can make you
exactly
make you so
sometimes we say I was so widow it depends but so we dey our nko there obviously and we dey ho na over
na me kofele form sibi na me hu sexual na ya atro male female any others na me hu na me ko kreke others ade ye mu ofie no me we ho me hu
others na who support baby ah
me o baby ah
we are kind and good.
okay Lo obi the question bi aba I see your friend no I see your friend Isaac I see Dr. OPD bisa me question mami I see as a UK resident UK resident empredodo sen and I will be to me aware and I say empredodo sen will to me aware UK or and I say UK empredodo sen will to me aware I say UK resident empredodo sen will to me aware question
I mean question way there it's not only for UK residents but because in the UK our guy and community and a beer you be linking it to UK the question is simple would you aware how more or less how often should I remarry after divorce?
Okay.
And since as long as I mean we are divorce, marry, how many times? Yes, sir. Maybe I knew what was prescribed say who are back when you worry you.
Okay.
So long as I was feeling say I worry you from it's up to you. My question is that the man obviously call at the next hour. It's up to you. Honestly, there's no prescription. because normally the American train control say there's no legal prescription, but there's common sense prescription.
Okay.
Common
Okay.
sense prescription says, say you OPD.
Yeah.
When you and I say if your girlfriend kwa any jaya a show kakra meboa.
Yeah, broken heart too. Broken heart too.
Exactly.
Broken heart
Nti
too.
say you break u ba ko a obesa ko mienu miensa enai.
I no na bad you. I said
Be careful. Who the next one meboa.
Yeah, medrin hopa.
Aha. Nti asama ye beka kire yen say depends on how bold you are to accept further risks.
Okay.
So if you are able to accept further risks there, obi ansi wo kwan. Na nya wo de kwa akwaye no na ehia. So don't kwa na wo de kodo na wo pese wo ware biem dia. Of course, and the next day probably to my worry. Ebi kwa na uchiti na worry gu ni baaye na wo beto aso. Woni sa nimpa no. Ti mo aware mo to aso aware a, that's fine. But so we ja aware na wa aware foforo na wo de kwaje nkrata aya nipa no a o hwe nkrata no mu e de ama wo visa no bagye se awariguo na baaye no ene aware no a eba the next one no from the same person you know any application na why yes or dey bagye bibi no akwaye se application nti na bi ojaye na san akwaye foforo unless there is a good reason to rebut the presumption say new aware na o komu no for convenience.
Wow. And so a big depend you nipano how to me stay in maybe a relationship na egunu maybe a so to me a sustain this maybe media and they are media media one country or near make me asan wareno but be obi so hobeka say how they be we the gay pa di odi kwe dia me yawo na eja wat na ase kakra one ma no efi we ni so answer efi no what so be depend on who nipa no how we take your decision so there is no law bia and I said there is no way bia be catch us bia twen edesi answer and yes sir
Exactly. According to say investment.
okay
It's investment bi omo a uni akukudura untumi nkom.
no correct
Your friend of risk appetite. Into risk appetite will determine the level of investment risk you want to take. Whether you are a risk taker or not. And so we are the same about plan and a relationship. We will be a risk taker. We can go into it again. Wow. But we will be also risker. Then you'll be wondering, me kogu ne see you know, how will I handle it? So it's all up to you.
Okay. And it is a more of a caution to on the obetumi atino. Oh, what am I come to off with Jao Munina? Tonight on the under qualify.
The risk appetite is high.
Okay. Right. So live on Rainbow 92.4 FM, BWF Solicitors in the normal to chung common na. In fact, and then common tia. And then a lawyer kind say, who are you can be a uja, person with Jaya Wally, Wally will be cool so. And maybe a person with Jaya Warrior and random man who can be able to meet Jaya Hana and know who and Yoma and as a category say with me, Afasuna, would the Ayano or the Amayanity. Yeah, so we are live on Rainbow 92.4 FM, also live on DAB Plus. Mr. Maybe I will be able to make the prediction and say comment at the abana. I say, wait to me after studio lines. Na, yeah, I know what to come on. Now, if you are to me, I come. So, wait to me after studio line. I was 020 8133 forces 020 8133 forces and 020 8133 1134 020 81 331134 and our WhatsApp line is 077 sorry 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 and also your WhatsApp line and patch over to me the comment there first so the man I can kind of more aha Rainbow 92.4 FM BWF Solicitors in any new good so to chunk one. Okay, so my main na many lawyer and twice na Kobia Nyamba idea. I don't know. Okay, But make sure say me sabeka call away and after no yeah phone come watch in answer so good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yeah, Ojina so. Okay, I'm sorry. Went to me, Yeah, once you bet me after 020 81 33 4646 020 81 33 4646 020 81 33 1134. Now also will comment area about the also to me. Kama. Okay, Lord, yeah, share now. I feel yeah, to us so and feel when I said when you're commenting, we saw her and I feel no. Waiting to their film of her man, yeah, the atwa so lot me into
Oh, that's the OPD. Nti
yeah.
yɛbɛhwɛ comment a aba na sɛ questions aba no na ɛno nso yɛde asesɛ mu. Nti producer de question aba no OPD baby a wɔ no sɛ wobɛtumi ready wohu question no OPD.
Me screen no.
And yeah, don't worry. Let me see what I can do. The question is if you got your permanent residence via the spouse and the marriage is dissolved, can I sponsor my new partner? You open the budget or who tell me?
Me tell pa. Yeah, me tell pa.
You nipa no question you know say me I can what joy I want say me. So I want to go. Na me question oba foforo, and I say be ma foforo. Na ya worry a metumi gine e de me nkrata ama no ana. Ani ubetumi provided say na ye chire mu no adwene a ɛta ekyire a wode kɔware nipa foforo no ɛnyɛ nkrataa adwene nti wo ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ wo prove sɛ aware foforo no a wakɔ mu no ɛyɛ ɔdɔ ɛne kankɔ sɛ mobɛbɔ mo bra abom even though baako no angyina wei deɛ wobɛbɔ wo ho mmɔden sɛ ɛbɛgyina na sɛ ɛbɛgyina a ɛbɛhia sɛ mobɛtena abom saa nti wofa saa akwanya wei so ade agye ama no a yes so you must be able to show say bi wokɔ aware foforo mu wopɛ sɛ woyɛ nkrataa ma wo yere anasɛ wo kunu a waware no foforo no na mbom botaeɛ ɛtɛ akyire no ɛnyɛ nkrataa no ntia na mbom ɛyɛ aware ɛne ɔdɔ ntia.
Okay. Yeah, I think say yenya problem with your phone license na yeah, you try say you be fix na it me pick because message say ba no be na say any doctor open can we call yeah try say okay so you try and say you fra e be ba because call about ko ba so into me nyina so eti you try say you be free na you say you me pick ma so live on Rainbow 92.4 FM live on Rainbow 92.4 FM na you pick him course in bi ne mu antwetwe nkomo na okay Steven or say Dr. OPD can we call na just okay course in Abba. Okay.
OPD.
Picky. Yeah, law.
You know the question about Kunubai no I say a divorce, no more annulment. Annulment not just say our no angasa no or we say Ankoye Ewon Shishano and I say Mbrano Equino Eso into our no you chum. Your chum is different from your gunu. And divorce and annulment are different. You say my worry no akwaba say omo say NCP sante anya aware na ye twemu a and there metumi aware foforo and of course metumi aware the same person na we go through process ni bi and that's how metumi aware another person like I say more or less there's no marriage before and yeni odi asem ebe yeni na from Paul and the same as say whether annulment or divorce. Of course, you go through the next process and worry for but in this case, you know, it will be easier. It wouldn't be say why worry pain and I would divorce ever. The question say, have you been previously married? Because so I no year I worry per se because annulment about the next I no na valid. So that there wouldn't say you were previously married. In that case, you better say no.
Okay, Rebecca said no. My yanko ahmaso na yemfa ye flare for edikana yaneno antuchum kawana yan share your word my good morning.
Good morning, Dr. OPD.
Chairman, now what to say?
Don't put your coupon. I don't have the whole yesterday about one this month.
Who about him this man? Who? We don't matter. Maminti, now we do it. I had our Casa, showing him. Maminti.
I don't pay Australian coupon Shiramo.
Fantastic.
And lawyers as much said you can net time no papa no wife.
Papa, easy.
May come as some so we said the network and na ma lines and I
Yeah, no correct.
In back who had media and I'm media. First question or no media say or by a student went to me by Senko or Ben Masters, but went to me school until recently when you letter I say so well one for the hour auntie. No, this is a beer and they were your back come on a home and this and they will know Binanka or the Siemna at the moor. Be ye and now so we now what be with my about a much letter so on quick. First question when a lawyer and answer my
Okay.
I say or back hoye. No, we na me say no. Na person who say who call no so ana.
Yeah, Ojina so.
Very good na so. I'm say me twin na
yeah.
Enko yi. Aha, enti me nwen director, me pacho ubetumi abon wa to from me bi mu. Asem edi kan no.
Asem edi kan no ye say me nua ba wo by as student. Na mbom wantimi anko nti nansen dem na be na wotwi mu ani wanya letter every yaanum ho se onye na ompake ne no manko na eno na ye bi se yi wo ya bai aise nansen wo tutunta su kakra nti se ekoba se wo kwa afuru a no betima manaka na se nei se bia be makora wo no nyam koro no se o ware no ankasa kora no a betimi aka na
Yo, me da se bebre. Tinya o kan ubi se nyina ne se yenue ebia obeba be ye overstayer. Na eno nso ekiri no ebia obetumi awo enya ba because akwati say afa ye furu bi sa. Na say obeye overstayer na owo a obetumi agina ne ba no so atene mu ana. Yes ah. Yo, nyama ba ku mienu bi ebeta ho. Edi kan yenwe oni nukuru na ba ya na student no oni nukuru na ba ya.
Ono kwa bi anka na ho.
Oni dependent bia.
Fine.
Oba no yebisa no wo application no so no say wa ware anasa wo ware no okara then yes or no.
Or a single on wale.
Okara say no. Na che so ware da nti o hia so be ja ware. Sa na che dia owo enda bema na one ne awo ye no na ye be hwe situation. So bema no ye obi a owo nkrata na owo ne nkrata no ye indefinite. Akwala no be British citizen under section 1 of the British Nationality Act of 1981. Sarah Elsuna Sabema no ye British citizen. Akwala no be British citizen. Sarah Elsuna Bema no wo EU settled status akwala no be British citizen. So akwala no ye British citizen akwala no yes mrana say or ye qualifying child. Now what cause or ye qualifying child ninti? Ebe yentumi nka say ye de no on amanone akwatena ho because o ma me ni nkrata nti ne o ma me beka ne say me bai eye British akwala ne pa e wo ma British nkwala no me bai eseso nya ne chefa nti say wo pa me no because me wo pa me dia ende o me bai ne right no wo tutu na ase santi because of me bai nti ma me 2.5 ne metumi atena aboa ma hwe me bai emra wo eho say ye fua sa asam no so na ya mama mi 2.5 ndi sa na etie dia na mami ni amaka nyina no eye no kra dia anasas ewo mu sa ndi mami da chi bi no me ye 2.5 na watinum abone bra ahwe ne ba
na say wonyem so a obetima ware straight away
so onyimo anasa onyimo a
Say, or party says on fire for now, or to me, I
if
will
she's
so
not yet pregnant.
Yeah.
I be into situation here who say, na edidi na ame no.
Say no, Maria,
Eye funemu eye bibi fufuro. Sanet here of course, what you can memu. Now, whether you can marry or not, depends on the rules. What you can memu na one krata. Which means worry you can memu many but as I said, home office for now clearance. So which means worry. So now okay, your man notice say uncle no chrome. Normally, so notice in 60 days. And I say be in Chebia. And just this year the amount I feel now we be trying to more so worry you can memu no. I bet check. Until be a we be clearance no crowd no worry no we visa no crowd you. Now, depending on baby of you know, some of the countries, are allow for customary marriage, customary or traditional marriage. To say Ghana, so if Ghana there, obey me our under Ghanaian Customary Marriage Act of 1884 to 1985. And then I'm running what can I say? So we knew what it was now for energy awari anyway. To be a wukunda we share no one na wo abrochire mo aka mutia bom se mo be ware mo do mo ho wa gbebusuafo amande edi kan mo hia mo ho eto aso gbebusuafo ajatum gbebusuafo be ja aware no enti be ya representatives from both family na omagina mo anam aja aware no esi ho omagina aware si ho bie mu a mo be court omagina mo anam akọ court akọ register aware no. The register were in here, Mbako Abemu, Akwenya Nkrata from Judicial Service, and then Foreign Affairs. Now, Usuafono Mujine Muno, Aqua Court, Aqua swear, our court, say, they are declaring, say, Omo, Nebusuafo Mujinemu, Bano, Obemana Nemu, Eja, I want to see her. Then I want to valid. So I want to valid, yeah, I'm ready to see UK, I buy Ejitum. So you can buy it to me there. Not just say my worry. So my worry there. Question is say, my me bet me worry no kuno. As my me bet me atsena. Oni no kuno atsena. E won krata afemu ana. So my me no say na wu there. You be refuse no. Because there is case law. I have from the BAT versus the Secretary of State 2025. Now I'm running kind of says, so when you krata, now what the application but say. Ujina wukunu anasa woyere so agi asetena because bema no ye British anasa okuta indefinite a ye mfa ma wo na so odo na modom ho dia bema no anasa oba no enti wichi enkom o man no mu a bebe amofi no na mkoto ma bra so ewo ho unless say there is something called insurmountable obstacle no ye share appendix family life paragraph EX1B, paragraph EX2. When you know baka say nipa no qualify because oni nkrata nembom ni bibia ekoso na brebom ni health ni nyoma bia ekoso no so wodi ukaso nko no krom a obewu a asese wogitum na wo ma chance not na UK na mo consider no na application no e proceed. So sad any new life threatening situation in what they are. This I can refuse no. Nti eno ne kokko a mebo ewo miniano eho. Why? No so bema no ewo badia. Mami we a step mother to akwala no. Nti bia obo ma yehwe bema single father no ne ba no. Even though single father akwala no mami no eti baby, but papa no wo arrangement ewa akwala no hwem because mami we aba papa no life mu nti or your stepmother to this child or no boa no e ma ye hwe akwala yi okofa no fi school okofa no GP boa ne ade de a yes obetumi agina ne ban na ban ma no so agi 2.5 and no ye papa na original tinam nembum akwala nti under section 55 of the Borders Act 2009 no say akwala no nti yɛde ɔbaa no fi yɛkasa ɔbaa no nkɔ no kurom a akwalaa no da haahae ne life bɛyɛ miserable because maame na ɛboa akwalaa no hwɛ no deɛ a ɛne deɛ akwalaa no nti ɛsɛ sɛ yɛma maame no 2.5 ɛno no yɛ sɛ bɛrima na ɔgye ama no na mmom akwalaa no ɛna yɛhwɛ ɛde ama no.
That's a lawyer.
Number two wɔ hɔ anaa?
Question that I'm saying too. Now, the question about couldn't there because Kofo Jina so Kofo Jina lies in line super. Line super. And Obebisa to us, and I would have no better fridge next week. No, Bisa.
Oh, wait a minute from the update or the buy.
Okay.
Now, make a clarification. Say no, and tonight going for a meme or baby, I would 3 years. Jesus say 2 years become one. No one know what the one. I
never saw them.
Some will be sending in and say, Sincere, you can say, Uku Tukwain Akon London Bridge. Uhia say we be try ticket because and then a year Thursday free travel. And then in a year if by next year or next day or next week, so free travel any hobby more, that means you can travel for free. But what does here? Akwala in the 5 years. And that may say, why would be 5 years no wait to me to sign a mono? If 2 years time, runners to sign, will you bet to qualify and so on to me qualify? Rebecca said on to me. So I cannot say yes or no. It depends on what happens from today with the rules. Why?
Oh, okay. But that's
what I say.
But I'm
Aya pass our tears and can me point my floor and to quanke rocono and answer Mketua. Okay, Mammy Picky call winner yinti good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We the fetcher me pa. We the fetcher me na ye lion was why she pa fetcher why. Fetcher. Fantastic.
In touch we do a darn on a question let's say Nebra or the service and in a buy. Now mpacho on any family in a buy. Ombedu na company no mo mobile in near Juma. It's you who lances. And I feel when your company pufra was switching on. Nampacho application now oil. Omubusane say on any family and I apply a woman. I'm not taking yes. And almost the family no passport numbers. And omudini or my wadani passport number. And I was submitting application, but now me expect to say your money code us or they may apply the wife on any banner. But almost any code be about almost a week now. And I'm saying if you say because Madame Fubaku renew the on the buy a human to renew the but to renew almost send the code man no the ayama the partner no. It's when so now me expect to come send the code man and the ayama the dependent but up to now code be my enemy buka say different man our daroma into a mama for busa lawyer.
Okay, lawyer be you want to see her.
Ekwaya omofa so a omode eye application no because application bi o mu a obeka say my family or my dependent will apply later. Ehwo no na mama code omo use. And I said they will apply later also means say almost apply we no area. But you see the woman somebody na more apply senior can say yes we are applying together. Because the question was, are you applying with your dependent? Yes, sir.
But are you applying with your dependent and not take it yes?
Are you applying with your dependent? You know, what you are saying later, you know, apply. I say, I'm gonna apply with the person now.
But you have to apply with the person now.
In fact, now, I'm going for application and can now. Now will be so cool to do it later.
And the problem is I confused. You say lawyer. ke say o submit we no say uko visa na wo ono no information na e wo so say date ni e dey abo so mu free ko ma no next month 20th after that date no ma no ma try to main applicant na dey no say why application into omo twen for be the decision so make the decision we e be appear wo visa no but me check the dependent for ne there bibi say ni o it means say we say yes application for dependent for na and omo my code bi also the be link omo mienu application no meaning so take yes say on any dependent na apply omo je omo information into omo apply already no and I'm pissing me
right then can you so omo ye say omba add dependent no into omo ka say add a dependent so your partner or a child na mo dey ato so into your application ba ko bi anipa be 4 na e wo so applicant 1 2 3 but omo ye ne sa omo submit it into omo ye the other people no omo dey no immediately why
okay it's really important I know sa no ya ina code bi e be da link omo mienu
I know say we are so much worried about link but all I will say is that go and apply. This time you are not applying as main, you are applying as dependent. Dependent in your child and also partner. Because one family, partner and child no anchor main person in the community. You have to apply for the child and also apply for the partner using the right link in country. Why? Or maybe say has the main person sponsor or main sponsor skilled worker had a leave or has applied. Okay, yes, I would need application number and reference on the so. Why? Okay, who say the main person has applied, then they will link it to that. Someone in your class, sometimes they will come back and say, you said that you are applying with your dependent. You have submitted application without your dependent. Where are they? And you to make delay on only the no. Why? Timoya no is here.
Okay. Mpachi lawyer. Mpachi. That's the part na mi sira.
Yeah, into yeah, ni sa man why? Na bibia so na which me apply face so why? Okay.
Mpachi.
Yeah, me fa for way so na good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but you let to say.
Nyame adumo na mo say.
Nyame adu fa chem say ma mo edina so ache why? Oda wor ma.
Oh, no problem, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, me pacho me wo case wo court. Me ne me ma no. Me wife no ma me hu kwa no. Ba twa be say 10 years ago. By first one ye court in 2018, the court no yesenka. This October go bebua. August for na almost time frame social for frame say o mo twa case no. Na me say dent o say o mo twam, o mo ne o mo twam. Na me say me yapi o say me right me yapi. But time me nyɛ class me yapi ne COVID naba. Me ye court no say COVID sa anti. By 2023 no and I mean a chance to go court back to do. The sign court no. First one no by second one no one ma. Me ko na judge say one man tin work case. Na me so one ma tanya me. O say any decision work case ni. Di me pese me yapi a. Na be me wo yare me nine the bia me nine I say o me say take 4 5 years di ma kwa anti last time doctor ni bisa me say I say me green nam say stress ya na me green kakra di enram o san friend bi me ko no say adine kwa na ekosoro ntin die be no ho nam say me ma me wife no me ni ja no ma me hu kwa no be say no say me man court nam say me court na court na kan decision dia no chat is no say no no ha me ntin this mama obi a on bit my boy me o sa de na because me probably will be a mental bi o ha sa stress na mo do bi a CBS ntin yo social prescriber but me need social prescriber no no say second on the second on be mama me miss you na yen discuss on mama me to na me fan court I'm okay but social prescriber me need to be some no sense
Okay. Auntie, Lord, what's the story? No,
Story no what?
story no what? Yeah. It's all about that. Nina say I think say and the wife money who nimba or the court and he says 20 I think 2016 right and
Yes.
or the call na or the call like I said onya good news bia mfem firu e ba no mo so mo epia ba no so da man no so odwendwen like or first place move be so I think say ohia moa me hu say the story no ohia moa and I bla penya sanity
a divorce proceedings and as a child arrangement.
Child arrangement.
Child arrangement. Eddie. Na anyway since 2016 or 18.
From 2015. Beginning.
Wow.
Yes, I said now. I can't say. I'm thank God. I'm social for basically 2000. Me kwa. I'm saying different story. So yeah, this is you want to make a paramba. And this
is akwala no eh.
And kwala no list.
Yeah, I know some more late. I'm not in wine chain. I'm more here.
I'm mama ho.
Akwala no more biological mother ho.
Yeah.
Now court am permission in the meantime say yeah akwasra akwala no na say what we call supervised contact bia.
Yeah, court no here say court no say beginning na feeling kwala no so me to niama and for mom na mo baby do I mean to niama mo bet me mom iska on to say on all this thing they say bia me mom iska and I thought my one share my CCTV but niama na me toko social phone me bi ko kwala so ma twa mo ntino but me di niama be do we ntino o me be ko sa and o chi niama na twa niama be to two dia court we physical court because social phone na kan di me go be me fa niama ko ma court to 2000 and niama no oh me me ko cancel me ko cancel mo so ye reference up to now be a friend you
na me pacho what some no lawyers na di echire ma wana say why na we what some court
me no lawyer me ba on kreben ho na kreben so that na station here back
hold on now me can say lawyers na di asam na ma wana say I just want to it's just yes or no just yes or no why
yes me kasa me no lawyer
okay lawyer edi echire ma o all right because as a wasam no and yeah you just want to know say the ben na be we here because how yes sir
yeah I have Bible here and the paper 5 years to pay for that na ko I'm racing in stay now almost a thinking and stressing and I am something this mommy will be o me say man because of I'm not going to hold him and there will be a social step so doctor I do so you can remember the second you can
break it out
yeah I my voice see na say lie no break ya my lawyer
say catch on say your poor on friend
unim
me
the office line
no problem you man 1-to-1
yeah
whatever clarification we hear the man offer on ka say ono no friend no na the line break into and name we no
yeah
baby
am free
session until you send me a number now.
Okay, yeah. My main office line more na from offices here na on be book you be more na one in pana to chum come why. Why Claro?
Yeah.
Yeah, but of office line 020 84 93 yeah 73 40 yeah and in the office line no na from CC why na mumbuki appointment mo na only penom probi mo na on shonon bo why it's answer okay in your case I think so be here say in yeah nti o ko ha o mebo why bibia be kama why
me da say
nyame shira won so nyame shira pa okay yeah law I think that baby you do mean say me nua ba na
me about train gidi
yeah
on the photocast no baba abekire mu kakra
okay fantastic so Pamela what's your kama yentie na okay
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Lawyer Charles. Good morning to our lovely viewers. Today, our topic was on, can I divorce in a UK court if my marriage was contracted abroad? So yes, it is possible to get a divorce in a UK court even if you got married outside of the UK. But then before you can get a divorce in the UK, there are certain requirements you need to meet. So you would have to show that you've been married for at least a period of 3 years. But it doesn't mean that if you have been married for less than 3 years and you are going through maybe something of a domestic violence case, you have to wait for the 3 years to be out before you can start divorce proceedings. You can't explain to the court why you want to get a divorce before that 3 years. But the normal requirement is that you should be married for at least 3 years. You'd also have to show that you are living in the UK. So you'd have to be ordinarily resident in the UK. That means you have to be in the UK for at least a period of 1 year, or your partner or you and your partner should be domiciled in the UK. This is also because the court will look at whether they have jurisdiction to start with the divorce proceedings. So, aside being ordinarily resident in the UK, you shouldn't also have started with the divorce proceedings outside of the UK. If you start with your divorce proceedings in a different country, the UK court will not have jurisdiction to look at your divorce proceedings. You also have to tell the court whether you are doing a joint application. So, if you are doing a joint application, it means you and your partner are going through the divorce procedure together, or you have to show whether you are doing a sole application. A sole application is when only one person in the marriage is doing the divorce process, means their partner is not on board with the divorce, and so one person is going ahead with it. And you also have to have your marriage certificate. So you have to show the date you got married. You need to prove to the court with your marriage certificate so that they can start with the divorce proceedings for you. So these are the requirements you need to meet if you want to start your divorce proceedings in the UK. So it is possible to get a divorce in a UK court even if you were married outside the UK, but you'd have to follow these steps and you have to meet these requirements before you can do that. I hope this helps all of us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Pamela. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right, we are back on. We are back. We are back. We are back live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. I think so. And Yamrano. Every kwan ma yedi. Jumedi ni abesi ha. But before I be call no, I mean call lawyer ho. Na me Jenny final words na fe no. In fact, Jumedi ni baby na the new day Jumedi ba be take over. Na just be so to me I come. Lo, ma menje o final words na yan sorry so na ja. Na nkomo na yede. Na yan sorry so. Yeah.
Yo, anuanom ne adɔfoɔ, ahwɛfoɔ ne atiefoɔ. Ɛnɛ nkɔmmɔ no nyinaa ne sɛ, wowɔ UK ɔman mu, aware ɛwɔ ɔman foforɔ mu, na wopɛ sɛ wogyae aware ɛwɔ UK, wobɛtumi anaa? Na ɛka no nyinaa ne sɛ, yes, provided sɛ womeeti requirement no. Ɛdi kan hwɛ sɛ aware no wonhyɛ aseɛ sɛ wogu no anasɛ wogyae ɛwɔ ɔman foforɔ so. Ɛna number 2 hwɛ sɛ aware no wongyae dada. Ti ɛnkɔbɛ sɛ wogyae aware no ɛna wobɛyɛ awaregyae number 2 ɛwɔ UK. No. Ɛna ɛsɛ wo make sure sɛ woware wɔ ɔman foforɔ bi so a na wogyae aware wɔ UK a wote UK ɔman mu. Woyɛ obi a watena mu for at least 1 year. Na woyɛ obi a wote ha. Nyɛ sɛ woba holidays na mmom wote ha. Na holidays deɛ wokɔ no wɔ baabi. Kwan ɛda hɔ ɛma wo anasɛ wabɛyɛ citizen anasɛ wabɛyɛ ukuta indefinite. Ne nyinaa no kwan ɛbɛda hɔ ama wo. Wobɛfollow process no na court agye to mu a wama wo certificate. First one, conditional order, and the final one, the final order. I would be kra. And yes, you can divorce if you married elsewhere in the world. And you are living in the UK, you can divorce in the UK. But make sure say, ubetumi ama court who say ɔmo wɔ tumi sɛ ɔmɛgye wɔ application no na ɔmo edi ho dwuma ama wo ɛwɔ family court hɔ. Nyame yɛ adom a ɛkyena efiada yɛbɛhyia nti bɔ mmɔden ano sɛ wobɛbra na wabɛjoin another interesting conversation. Saturday nso yɛbɛsan ahyia community and the law program no ɛso. OPD mejama.
Yeah, Lord.
Nso yɛdase bebree.
Yeah, so yɛdase nyame nhyira wo paa ne edwumamfoɔfoɔ nyinaa ne anke bɛn so. Nti nyame nhyira mo sɛ agya munya mmerɛ so de ma yɛn na mu ne yɛtiefoɔ so ɛbɛkyɛ yɛn nso de nyankopɔn nhyira mo paa. Why? Okay. So yɛde dwumadi no nyinaa yɛde si ha. Facebook for yɛn no mu bɛdi nkra na nyame yɛ adom a ɔkyena no na wasɛ no ahyia ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors na ɔne ɔmo nso asan atwitwe nkɔmmɔ. Mede Facebook for bɛsi ha na nti Facebook for makra Facebook for makra mo.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.